Hi, this is Mark Trudeau. I'm the CEO of OpenVault, and today I'm pleased to share brief information about our distance diagnostics and remote care solutions. These solutions are designed to provide better customer care as well as keep both field techs and your subscribers out of harm's way. What are the common issues that are causing slow internet and the reason for field techs being dispatched to subscribers' homes to begin with? They're typically related to slow internet, and that can come in a number of forms, and it's due to things like network congestion, the device topology within the home, slow household bandwidth, and Wi-Fi issues. All of these things can cause slow internet, which ultimately cause calls into customer care, and traditionally the default response to that would be to send field techs out into subscribers' homes. Given today's environment, with the pandemic, it's critical that we do everything we can to avoid the need to send field techs out into subscribers' homes. That's the genesis of OpenVault's distance diagnostics and remote care solutions. I'm going to provide you with a brief demonstration of the functionality that we've developed to help ensure both field techs and subscribers remain safe. First thing I'm going to share with you is our Wi-Fi Insider tool, which is really designed to allow customer care to quickly diagnose what an issue might be when a subscriber is calling about slow internet. Because as said up front, that can be the result of many possible issues. One is, in fact, the access network and how healthy it is. Is there congestion on the network here or not? Here we can see this is color-coded in green. Access network is healthy and fine. We do have issues, however, in the Wi-Fi environment, where signal strength overall is very, very low. We can also see that we have 40 or so devices connected to the internet in the subscriber's home. And if I look over here to the left, I can see that that subscriber is on a 10 megabits per second plan, a very low bandwidth plan. So just this picture alone helps customer care understand that it's not network congestion that's causing an issue. In fact, it's likely something, a combination of things. It's a combination of the fact that this subscriber needs more bandwidth for the number of devices that they have. Also, it's clear that the signal strength within their home is very, very low. And if we want to look at the details of devices connected, first we could see how they're connected here, whether it's the 2.4G band, 5G band, Ethernet, etc. We can also then dive into the signal strength at the specific device level. And we could see those color-coded in red as having very poor signal strength with the hotspot. And again, there could be channel interference going on. There could be all sorts of things. It could be as simple as a device needs to move closer to the hotspot. So these are ways in which customer care can actually quickly diagnose the issue and help the subscriber resolve it without actually sending a field tech out into the home. There are other potential solutions that the distance diagnostics and remote care solution suite can assist with. Now, to stay on the point about subscribers needing to move to faster bandwidth speeds, let's remember that during the pandemic, most households' usage behavior has changed dramatically. In large part, it's grown. Their need for bandwidth has grown to much higher levels than they might be provisioned for at the moment. So another tool that we provide to help operators identify proactively who those subscribers would be is this tool that we're showing you here. And what we can look at is a combination of the speeds that subscribers are provisioned for here on the left and the data volume that we're seeing them consume over here on the right. So if I, for instance, isolate the 20 to 40 meg per second service, which in this day and age is a fairly slow speed, I can quickly see with what's called our Sankey diagram, the number of subscribers that are actually using these different levels of usage over here on the right. In fact, I can even dive in and isolate subscribers specifically, in this case, that are using greater than 2 terabytes in a given month, right, but are only provisioned for a 20 to 40 megabit per second service. All of these subscribers, and we even show you a history here of their usage over time, are upgrade candidates and would be best served by having a faster bandwidth speed. Operators that put forth proactive upgrade campaigns using this information can help avoid the phone call to begin with, and certainly the truck roll that typically results. In addition to upgrade campaigns and helping operators by providing the visibility they need in the subscriber usage behavior, we have other solutions as part of our distance diagnostics and remote care solution suite as well that really focus on helping operators manage the available capacity on their networks. For example, we can see congested networks here in real time. For instance, here's a part of a network that shows 841 subscribers on a given node. We can look at the current utilization level. As you see here, 97, 98% really is a fully congested node. We can scroll down further and we can actually see the usage contribution of every subscriber in real time on that node. Now, there are times when we see certain subscribers accounting for 70 or 80% of all available bandwidth, negatively impacting all the other 840 some odd subscribers. That's a perfect opportunity to use our policy management capability, which can be defined in lots of different ways and deployed in lots of different flexible ways to ease congestion for all the other subscribers on that node by taking a policy enforcement action on abusive subscribers. That can be done on the upstream channel, the downstream channel. It can be triggered by specific utilization thresholds, etc. So this is a solution that, when coupled with the other tools I've shown you here, can really be very powerful in extending the life of the existing nodes, avoiding node splits, because again, oftentimes it's one or two subscribers that are causing problems for everybody else. And by enforcing bandwidth management on those specific subscribers, it opens up the pipe and the available capacity for the other subscribers, thus avoiding phone calls and again, avoiding truck rolls. And at the end of the day, the goal being keeping your field techs and your subscribers out of harm's way. If you have any questions about the solution suite, please feel free to reach out to sales@openvault.com. Thank you very much.